So I am headed to, I have a shoot tomorrow and I need flowers. I need like some lilies, eucalyptus and baby's breath. So I want to try to see if I could get flowers in Lekki. Okay guys, I found a place in Lekki that has flowers. They have some really cute what are these? Are these cactus?
Yes, cactus.
Are these real?
Yes, yes.
Everything is real? Oh, that's nice. Oh yes, this is what, guys, this is exactly what I want. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of creating content, we're going to be exploring outdoor of my house. I feel like since COVID I haven't taken pictures or photos or created content outside my house, so today I was like, you know what, I'm going to explore Lagos. So I'm going to a couple of places. One of the things I feel like I struggle with creating content in Lagos outside my house is trying to find like neutral, minimal background that work for my aesthetic. So I'm just gonna try to explore a few things. First of all, I'm going to Eco Hotel and I'll try out the car park at Eco Hotel and look for some more like neutral walls or like natural looking backgrounds or clean looking backgrounds. I have my bouquet of baby's breath, which I absolutely love, and I'm using this obviously for photos. I have my mood board ready, so I know the kind of like vibe that I'm going for. And yeah, I have my basket of clothes or shoes and accessories. I also have my suits and the things that I'm basically wearing. I also came with my tripod, and then my assistant is here in Kiru to help me out. She's just picking up coffee for me, and yeah, because I wanted the coffee aesthetic as well. Once she picks up the coffee, we're gonna head to the location, and yeah, fingers crossed it goes well. I think it's gonna be amazing. Thank you. So we're here now and we found some location. Okay guys, we're done with the first look. It was pretty chilled. Nobody came to say anything, and I think it's because we're using our phones. For a fact, I think like I was even having so much anxiety just thinking about the fact that, oh my god, someone is going to come and be like, oh sorry, you can't take pictures here. Nigeria is just hard sometimes. Anyways, about to change my second look, and they're the things that you don't see. I'm changing in my car because yeah, I already wore this top, which is basically like my second look. I'm just gonna wear my pants now. So this place is giving me more like rustic vibe, even if I would have preferred if it was more beige than grey, but we'll make it. Okay guys, we just finished the third look. My camera is dead, so I really couldn't show you guys what like we got, but it was very nice. We had like, it was like a bouquet kind of like vibe and all that. So yeah, that's cool. Guys, I'm so hot, I'm so tired already. But my makeup is starting to separate. Mask life. Like wearing nose mask and dewy makeup does not work at all. Anyway, yeah. Honestly, it was fantastic. Like it was so easy, but I feel like one of the things that made it easy was the fact that we were using like our phones, because I know that in Nigeria typically they frown at cameras, which makes no sense, because if I am doing a vlog at your venue, I'm giving you publicity, like I'm making people know this spot. But I don't know why they don't think about it that way. Like they always just think, oh sorry, you can't do a photo shoot here. It makes no sense, you know. But anyways, yeah. Guys, and it's a wrap for content creation outside on the streets of Lagos. Coffee's finished. I'm hungry. Nkiru is hungry. We're going to eat eba or amala or whatever. Alright, bye guys. Nkiru, peace out. Unboxing time! Don't ask me why I'm holding a knife. I don't know why. Every time I want to unbox, I can't find my scissors. So this is just what's gonna be. And please don't ask me why I'm wearing sunglasses in the house. I just received these sunglasses from a brand called Vintage Smith. This is the mood I'm gonna be all through April. So I have a package that I want to unbox. Oh, it's from Miss Lola. Okay, so it says, hey babe, you have an eye for greatness, so show the world who you're working with. We hope you love everything and more. Can't wait to see you be the trending topic. Get it, babe? All right, Miss Lola, thank you. Packaging looking splendid. Yes, I'm seeing neutrals, okay? So let's see what's in here. Oh, I'm seeing cute things, guys. I'm seeing cute things. Yes, yes. I mean, I just thought this angle was better, but really, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I wanted mini hoops for so long. So cute. Let me show you guys. So cute. Okay, and we have 2 sunglasses here. This is cute. So I have like 3 new sunglasses. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I'm feeling this. This is really nice. Let's see the second one that was sent. Oh, this is dope. What? Any package you see that gets to me, apart from the ones that I would specify that it wasn't like they don't ship to Nigeria, these guys ship to Nigeria. So let's get into the outfits. This looks cream on camera, but in real life, it's kind of close to this color. Can you see that? Like, did they just send me this from the goodness of their heart? This is a striped shirt. It's alright. I don't particularly love it, but it's nice. I could totally wear it. I picked this in brown. Okay, I don't even know what's going on. Okay, so this is a dress. I'm 100% sure I picked this dress in brown. I didn't pick it in black for sure. I picked it in brown. But yeah, this sends me black. This is it. You guys can't really see it. This is nice. I really like it. Guys, I'm leaving for my bikini collection now. Like, what? So I picked this green bandeau, army green, olive green, whatever. And I can totally wear this and just pair it with this shirt. Yes, so this is a top. I didn't think it was gonna be this thick. I like the fact that it's buttoned down. That is so cute. So this is what this bag looks like. It comes with 2 straps, this one, a shorter one and a longer one. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for sending these over. I'm definitely gonna be wearing something from this collection today. Let me actually show you guys my earrings. That's what it looks like. So stunning, right? Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm gonna try the second earring on this ear. Oh, that's cute. Thank you, Miss Lola. You guys rock. So I'm just gonna shower and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, I want to put my baby's breath in vase, and I got these flowers from a brand called Fumi Flowers in Lagos. So this is her. She's so beautiful. Just look at that. Oh, it's perfect. I'm so happy about this because this is how we would typically keep our spaghetti. We would use a peg, and I'm so happy that this is like an airtight container. Next is going to be our noodles. I'm just going to move the noodles in here. Guys, this is the reason why you must check your stuff before you package it in another container. A lot of, like, for instance, this couscous already expired. So I have 2 packs of couscous already expired. This was expired in December of last year. So this goes into the trash. So this is the second half of my spices. Again, I showed you guys how I usually keep them, which is basically ghetto. So we're going to turn this around into something that's, just ignore this part, please. Okay, we're going to turn this around into something that's like meaningful. Okay, I'm just going to start off by sorting them out, making sure that anything I put on the table is not expired. Okay, so I clearly did not understand how much of a whole day's work this would be, but it's taking long. I'm kind of getting tired already. I haven't done the spices. I've done the food containers, but that's all the spices I have to do. Now I'm just like, who sent me? I hope the spices first and tag. So I will start with turmeric. So now that I've finished putting my black pepper in here, just so I don't forget what spice that is. Now I'm going to label the containers individually. Okay guys, so getting my hair braided, because I like to, after like 2 weeks of having my hair out, I like to go back into like a protected hairstyle. So I'm getting my hair braided at home just so I could work and not necessarily have to be at the salon, because I don't really enjoy being at the salon for the whole day. So guys, I am braiding my hair today. I have finished. I'm gonna put bits and bobs of it in here. I wanted to do the all back fitting braids that I did one time like this that I showed you guys. So that's what I've done. So my hair is quite special. I don't really have hair on this side. I have hair, but it's like it's very thin, so I never like pick it. I have more hair here, so that's what they've currently done, and we're just basically finishing off. Hey guys, so I already told you guys that I am going out to hang out with my friends today. It's been a long time since I did my makeup in front of the camera, so I just thought, you know what, I'll do my makeup in front of the camera today. It wouldn't really be a talk through video. I would just probably like speed it up, but I just want you guys to be here while I dress up. I've done my skincare already, and yeah, let's jump in because I need to finish my makeup in literally 20 minutes.
to message again. I'll call you. I'm just going to call. I'm just about to press. Okay, I can't believe you.
What I thought it was.
One, two, drop down. Good morning. So guys, I didn't even know where the last time I vlogged. So I hope this vlog is not like really scattered and stuff, but it's been a hot minute. And today I'm having a very early call time for the first time in a long time. Anyways, yeah, I'm trying to have ginger. If only Mr. Amorf will let me talk instead of pressing his horn every time. Hey guys, so I'm out for breakfast with my friend Orezi. She's coming back in. So anyways, yes, I'm at a place called Dodos Cafe, and yeah. So I am here to do my lashes. Today's giving me like ghetto vibes because first of all, I didn't even show you guys my hair the day I finished it. I finished it so late and I haven't showered. I forgot to use sunscreen. I'm looking ashy and I'm here to do my lashes. Anyway, this is what my lashes look like. I've had this in for like over a month, like maybe like almost 2 months. So I'm gonna do like, this is not a refill, it's gonna be like from the scratch, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, and I'll show you guys when I'm done.